I must admit that I've never been a big fan of wallet cases. I'm extremely lucky with my job that I have the ability to try out many wallet cases without worrying about investing money in something that I may not like. When I was offered to review this wallet case for the iPhone X, I went in thinking that it was just another wallet case, but I must say this may have changed my mind. Unlike all other wallet cases I've tried, this is one of the ones I actually enjoyed and will consider using as my main case. Taking a look at this, it's pretty nice and simple. We got a good looking leather case that's pretty soft both inside and out. They've got a wide variety of colors. I picked up gray, but they've also got other traditional leather options. Attached to the back is the wallet portion. Compared to other cases I've tried, this one can hold the most cards and remains the thinnest. I've never seen a case before that can hold so many cards. In total, I was able to cram 5 cards in there and it's still closed. Speaking of closing, everything is locked up by a strap that magnetically closes. The magnet is pretty strong and there isn't much lining up required to get it to latch in place. On the inside there is a clear view hole for your driver's license. Behind that there's another card slot, and under all that we have another hidden slot. On the back of the phone we can stick 2 more cards or even some cash. It's a really versatile case and can expand based on what you need it for. I typically keep 3 cards in there, but if I need to stick something like a gift card in there for the day, there's plenty of room available for that. This is not so much an issue with this case, but something I'd like to see, and that is the availability to remove the wallet portion from the back of the phone. I think that's something that would really be cool if this case could do. Obviously this isn't going to work with wireless charging, but if you do open the flap and place the phone down that way, it does work. I'm no expert on electricity and the effects that it has on magnets, so I'm not sure if you really want to pump electricity through your credit card, but I just like to note that it does work. On the sides of the case, all of the buttons are open and there are no coverings. I really like that because most cases don't do very well with their own covers. The bottom of the case is also completely open, so there aren't any issues with charging cables and docks. The materials are very high quality, the leather feels nice, and the metal clasp and magnets feel good as well. Overall, I'm a really big fan of this case and it may have just changed my mind about wallet cases. If you're interested in checking this case out and getting your mind blown, there's a link to it in the description below. If you have any questions, let me know and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with Apple Tech 1 2, and I will see you in the next one.